Here are 10 important things everyone should know about cars, whether you own one or are planning to. 1. Understand the different car types. Cars come in various body styles, each designed for different needs. Sedans, the classic four-door car, good for commuting and families. Comfortable ride, decent trunk space. Hatchbacks, compact, with a rear door that opens upward, easier cargo loading, great for city driving. SUVs, sports utility vehicles, higher driving position, more space, sometimes off-road capable. Popular for families. Coupes, two-door sporty cars, sleek and stylish, but less practical for families. Pickup trucks, strong engines and open beds for hauling, ideal for work or towing. Electric and hybrid vehicles, run partially or fully on electricity, lower running costs and emissions. Choosing the right type depends on your lifestyle, daily driving needs, budget, and preference. 2. Routine maintenance is non-negotiable. Every car needs regular care to run safely and efficiently. Oil changes. Engine oil lubricates moving parts. Old oil can cause engine wear. Change it every 5,000 to 10,000 kilometers, or as the manual says. Brake checks. Worn brake pads can be dangerous. Have them checked regularly. Tire maintenance. Rotate tires every 10,000 kilometers to ensure even wear. Keep them inflated to the recommended PSI. Fluid levels. Coolant, brake fluid, windshield washer fluid, and transmission fluid must be topped up. Neglecting maintenance can lead to expensive breakdowns or worse, accidents. 3. Know what fuel or energy source your car uses. Putting the wrong fuel in your car can cause major damage. Petrol gasoline is the most common for light cars. Diesel engines are more fuel efficient for long-distance driving, but costlier to repair. Electric vehicles, EVs, run on batteries. You'll need a place to charge them. Hybrids combine petrol and electric. They switch automatically for best efficiency. Always check the fuel type and octane rating before filling up. 4. Learn basic car specifications. You don't need to be a mechanic, but know your engine size, e.g. 1.5L, 2.0L. Larger engines are usually more powerful, but use more fuel. Horsepower, HP, tells you how much power the engine produces. Torque affects how quickly the car accelerates. Transmission type. Manual cars need gear shifting, while automatics do it for you. Drivetrain. FWD, front-wheel drive, is common for city cars. AWD, all-wheel drive, gives better grip in rain or snow. RWD, rear-wheel drive, is often for sporty cars. These basics help you compare cars and understand their performance. 5. Dashboard warning lights are important. Modern cars have smart sensors. Learn what these lights mean. Check engine. Something's wrong in the engine or emissions system. Oil pressure. Stop immediately. Low oil pressure can ruin the engine. Battery light. The alternator or battery is failing. ABS light. There's a problem with the anti-lock braking system. Tire pressure light. At least one tire needs air. Driving on underinflated tires is unsafe and wastes fuel. Don't ignore warning lights. If you're unsure, get the car checked quickly. 6. Insurance and registration are mandatory. Every car must be registered with the government to legally drive it. Insurance is usually required by law. It protects you financially if there's an accident, theft, or damage. There are different coverage types. Liability covers other people if you're at fault. Collision covers your car if you hit something, and comprehensive covers theft, vandalism, weather damage. Always carry valid proof of insurance and registration in the car. 7. Read the owner's manual. Most people ignore it, but it's full of crucial information. Recommended maintenance intervals. Proper tire pressure. Correct fuel type. What to do if the car overheats. How to change a flat tire or jumpstart a dead battery. When in doubt, The manual is your first resource. 8. Always have an emergency kit. Breakdowns and emergencies can happen anytime. A basic kit should include spare tire, jack and lug wrench, jumper cables, or a portable jump starter, first aid kit, flashlight and extra batteries, water and snacks, especially for long drives, basic tools like a screwdriver and adjustable wrench. In winter climates, add a blanket, ice scraper, and maybe sand or cat litter for traction. 9. Understand depreciation and resale value. Cars lose value over time. Some lose value faster than others. Luxury cars often depreciate quickly. Well-maintained, reliable models hold value longer. Keeping service records, avoiding accidents, and not modifying the car excessively help preserve resale value. When buying, know that a new car loses a big chunk of its value the moment you drive it off the lot. 10. Know when to DIY and when to call a mechanic. Basic tasks you can do yourself. Changing wiper blades, topping up windshield washer fluid, replacing air filters, checking tire pressure. But for bigger jobs, brakes, transmission, electrical faults, timing belt replacement, it's safer, and often cheaper in the long run, to trust a qualified mechanic.